this is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I have a candy recipe for you for brownie truffles. They are sweet little balls of brownie covered in chocolate. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make them. First, we have to bake the brownies. First, we'll start by adding our butter. Here I'm using margarine and coconut oil, and some cocoa powder, and some eggs. And finally, we're going to add the sugar. We'll just mix that to mix it all together well. And then we're going to add salt, vanilla, and flour, and then I'll just use my spatula to mix it in until all of the flour has been moistened. Then we'll add that to our baking pan. And we're going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. Next, we have to make the brownies into the truffles. Okay, we're going to take our cooled brownies, and we're just going to take a brownie and we're going to break it apart and roll the pieces into balls. And this will be the inside of our brownie truffles. They're really easy to do. Once they're all rolled out, we're going to put them in the freezer to chill for about 30 minutes. After the brownie balls have been chilled in the freezer for about a half an hour, we're going to coat them with yummy chocolate. I'm going to take our chocolate and put it into a microwave-safe bowl. And we're going to take it and microwave it at 30-second intervals and stirring in between until it's nice and smooth, just like this. And then we'll take our brownie balls and put them into the chocolate, roll them around a bit to coat them well, and then put them back onto the cookie sheet. And right after putting them on, we'll sprinkle some sprinkles to pretty them up. And we'll continue doing that until they are all coated with chocolate and have some sprinkles on top. If you'd like the printable recipe, just check the description for the link. And if you don't subscribe to our channel yet, please subscribe and be sure to click the little bell so you'll know when we have new videos available. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.